Hi everyone, this is Jihane Gigi, and it's Friday 5 a.m. My day just ended up. I started my day like Thursday 9 a.m. with messages, emails, and everything, but I had to end my day after the clinic, the office, and all the tasks with an event that I had like to see our customers, our clients, and our partners for dinner events and everything. So this is time that I got home. The thing that I want to say like about the skincare, wherever the state that you are, you need to follow it as a routine, as something, as a part of your daily life. It's like food, it's like water, and whatever. So before sleeping, like as you see, I have makeup and everything, and I'm using the black set to clean up myself. So let me tell you, everyone is saying like she's a foreigner, she's white, she's perfect, she doesn't have any problem with her skin. Nobody is perfect, just believe me, nobody is perfect. I have this black thing. I have like skin pores and stuff. I'm working on it to make myself healthier, to make my skin healthier. I'm 35 years old. I know many people looks like they are saying like you look like younger than that, but you need to know why. So as first, let's start. Sorry, hair down. From the glass set, I need to clean myself. So first is soap. When you are putting soap, just like try to get every part of your skin, every part of yourself clean. Still have soap and mascara and makeup. Go deep with the soap, don't be afraid. Okay, no makeup. This is me. I'm tired. I have black circles. I have makeup residues. Trying my best to clean myself. This is the thing, when you are like washing our faces, we need to use a towel. Yes, of course we need to use a towel. But like don't go with the towel down. Just like do like this. It's healthier than like straightening your skin and your face muscles down like this. It is all dry Same way. After the soap, we have the toner. Okay. Think about the toner. It's a little bit itchy, burning, but the toner, we need to make the residue like this. Don't go too much close to your eyes. Like it's strong, it's burning. You can feel it, but you can do it. Don't get it like don't take it off, just like you make it like this, so you can get your skin to absorb the toner. I give myself 2, 3 till 4 minutes, like so my skin like get dry from the toner. Then I'm using the set night cream. Yeah, it's hard to open. Sometimes I get like wasted. Sorry, my voice is like kind of gone, kind of sounds bad. The weather is changing in Bangladesh, in Dhaka, and I'm having like a lot of second effect. So when you are putting like moisturizing cream, night cream, or like even sunblock or whatever each cream you are using, when we are putting the cream, we need to use that as massage for our face muscles. We don't do this, we don't get it inside, we don't do it down, we do it like in a movement that helps our face, our skin, and our face muscles to get up. As I told you, whatever time it is, whatever happening in your life, like your routines is a part of your daily life. As food, as water, as whatever. As much as you are giving food and water for your body because you are thirsty or you are hungry, your skin also is thirsty and hungry. Just do your nightly routines and respect it. Bye. Good night. 5 a.m. I guess say good morning for you, but it's like a good night for me. See you soon.